All right, we got these are 88 to 91 Honda Civic CRX lower control arms. I cleaned them up with the wire wheel, and these are the stock OEM control arms. I 3D printed some TPU 95A bushings. They're two pieces. Currently printing the other side for the other control arm. And these are the original pins that go inside. This big one goes in the bigger hole. Then you press them in. And these small ones go on the outside. And the ones on my car right now, I have Godspeed lowering lower control arm, so it drops it like 2 more inches. But the bushings on those were trash and they just like fell apart. So right now I'm riding around like with no bushing. It's like sitting like that. So this is my solution for that right now, just to test it out since I have a 3D printer now. Doing it in overture high-speed TPU. And we'll see how that goes. Once these are done, I'm gonna put them in here, push these in with the little grease. I think you use synthetic grease. I'm gonna double check on that when I press them. And then I might have to take this little bevel off the grinder so I can push them in easier. But coming on pretty good. These are the aftermarket bushings that come on these aftermarket. Like normally most of them are this size, any aftermarket one. And I made these in Tinkercad right now, and I'm gonna try to print these as well. And the Godspeed lowering control arms, they have a different size on this. I need to remove mine. Once I install these, I'm gonna remove mine and I'm gonna measure them with the caliper and see if they're exactly the same as this or if they're like a little bit different, and I'll model those as well and try them.